The topic today is diabetes in pregnancy. What actually the diabetes is? Diabetes is a condition in which the insulin producing cells of your pancreas stops to produce insulin. The insulin is completely absent, or either these cells are able to produce insulin but the body is not responding to the insulin or not using the insulin. It is the most common complication occurs during the pregnancy. When it occurs in pregnancy, it is known as gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes in pregnant women develops when the blood sugar concentration rises. What is the cause? Actually, in pregnancy, placenta is releasing some hormones. These hormones are responsible for gestational diabetes. What are the risk factors of gestational diabetes? Those women which are over the age of 25 years, if they have any family history or the personal history. The signs and symptoms of diabetes are very few and not very severe, but they are sugar in urine. This is revealed in a test done in your doctor's office. Or unusual thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, nausea, frequent vaginal, bladder or skin infections, blurred vision, lethargy, dry mouth, and because of dry mouth there is urge to drink more and more, strong cravings for sweet foods, tingling in hands and feet. These are the signs and symptoms when a woman is suffering from a gestational diabetes. What is the diagnosis? How you come to know yes it is a gestational diabetes? Blood test is done when blood sugar level at fasting is 105 mg per dl or greater than this, then this is a diabetes. Or when randomly checked, when checked after 1 hour of eating meal, 190 mg per deciliter or higher, and when checked after 2 hours of eating meal, 165 mg per deciliter or higher, this is diagnosed as gestational diabetes. There are many risk factors of the gestational diabetes such as preeclampsia. Preeclampsia is the high blood pressure during the pregnancy. This is very dangerous and serious problem. Depression requiring a cesarean section. Cesarean section because the size of the baby increases during the diabetes as the sugar is passing from the mother to her child, to her baby, so size is increased and the normal delivery, vaginal delivery is very hard, so there is a need of cesarean section. Macrosomia is the condition in which there is an overly large body of the baby which can cause complications during delivery, but by keeping a good control of your blood sugar in second half of your pregnancy, you can minimize your chance of having a large baby. Other birth defects also occur due to gestational diabetes, which includes stillbirth, which is a very serious problem. Birth defects in heart and blood vessels, brain, spine, urinary system and kidney such as UIT infections and digestive system. And there is an associated risk of type 2 diabetes in the newborn. What to do? What are the precautions if one is suffering and diagnosed with a gestational diabetes? Exercise regularly, that is 30 minutes in a day. Take your prenatal vitamins. See your doctor as often as they recommend it. Sleep on the left side because it increases the amount of blood and nutrients that reach the placenta. Keep legs and knees bent and put a pillow between your legs. This is during the sleep. MNT or diet, this is the medical nutrition therapy for diabetes in pregnancy. Take plenty of fruits and vegetables. This is whole fruits and vegetables. Moderate lean proteins. Add protein in your diet like fish, chicken. Moderate healthy fats. Don't use trans fats. Moderate amount of whole grains such as bread, cereal, pasta and rice. This is whole not refined. Moderate starchy vegetables such as corn and potato. Eat every 2 hours. Eating every 2 hours regulate the blood sugar level. So never skip meals and aim to eat a healthy snack or meal after every 2 hours. What are do's and don'ts? These are very important when you are suffering and when you are diagnosed with it. Do's are eat grilled fish once or twice a week. Not very much fish because there are many chances that fish is full of mercury and mercury is not good in the diabetes in pregnancy. Take lentils, green beans, other beans, chicken thighs, a lot of fruits and vegetables, fiber rich food. What are the don'ts of gestational diabetes? Don't take fruit juice at the breakfast. Fruit juice at the breakfast quickly increase the sugar level in your blood. So avoid taking fruit juice in breakfast. Avoid processed and refined foods. Completely cut off the sugary foods and juice. And apart from the diet therapy, if it is not in control, then there is a drug treatment. The most effective drug treatment is the insulin. Insulin does not cross the placental barrier, so it does not enter the baby and it is safe for the baby. What are the routes insulin can be given? Insulin can be given by syringe, through insulin pen or insulin pump. This is all about the gestational diabetes. We'll come in the next lecture with the proper diet planning of the diabetes, frequent small meals and other points.